special tattoo. Embera community. This is characteristic of the area, and they do it all the time. Protects from everything, including mosquitoes. And I'll have one later.
I'm doing one of the baskets, manually here.
Basket for?
For the artisans, they also use it for them. It's very hard. Quiero mostrarle cómo hace la... Pepe. Fish, how they cook it in plantains, we will have a little bit of a taste of their traditional stuff. It's not the law, it's a snack.
No, it's okay.
Lunch
I
we'll
love
have
it.
later.
I love it. So what's she doing now?
So she's doing one of the baskets, and all natural. This is from one of the palm trees. Like Nawala, and this gives the sense of the the bone. Yeah. And then they have other type of palms that they boil with different heat to get this color.
Oh, they boil. What is this?
Chunga. And we will see it at Gembo Rainforest. And also here they have chunga. So they boil and they put some of these.
They color them.
They color up, yeah.
But at the beginning, you get a grain, right? The palm tree.
Yeah, the grain.
Then they have to bleach it to white.
Okay.
They use a lemon leaf and sour cane, and you boil it all together, and it takes the green out. You have to bleach it. And after you have it like this, then you get to get your cutting.
In wood. They put it out in the wood, on the soil. This is also one of the seeds they use.
But that's one to get the yellow, they use turmeric.
Turmeric.
Yeah, to get that yellow. Boil it, drain it, and boil it, and dip it in there. Then you have to let it dry. And then the red is made of a seed we have called atrophy.
So the basket, if you see the basket, then one of these, she put it in a needle, and then she starts to do the design. This is a turtle. And each basket has a different design. And
how long it takes to do all this?
That could be,
and they have also, like, the more that these are more together, the price is up. Like in Old Town, a basket, a big, huge basket should be...
Oh, becomes a basket. This is the bottom of the basket.
It should be a plate. This is a plate.
Oh, it's a plate, okay.
They have also baskets, and they have huge baskets.
That's about 3 weeks right there.
3 weeks under there?
3 weeks.
Wow.
From the very beginning, from the little thing in the center, and then going around, and it's all in her mind.
Wow.
She's not looking at
So
anything.
no, it's not doing anything, it's not designing anything, with paper, nothing?
Nothing.
Wow.
So they're very good.
Mm-hmm.
That's like a gift,
Yeah.
all that. So all the wood we see here, they're going to put trees, they're looking at that tree, bring it in.
Overload is device, overload is
¿Alguien tiene